Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, you're most welcomed. Just hit the subscribe button and click on the post notification bell to join my squad. And as for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and I really appreciate. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about this vlogger anajiita Edgar Obare. Na kama ujui Edgar Obare na kwa Kenya, I don't know where you are living in. Like guys, kila mtu anajua Edgar Obare, unaenda Instagram, una search, unapata tea. Like everybody always want to know what's happening in this country. So guys, Edgar Obare has been arrested by the detectives from the DCI. In a message to his Instagram followers on July 30th, that is today, the vlogger said he was arrested in the morning while at home by very many police officers, writing, "As I said earlier, I was summoned by the DCI. Today morning, I was arrested by very many police officers at my home. Now I'm headed to Nairobi. Thank you all for your undying support." So guys, you all know that Edgar has always been on the headlines on several occasions after he unearthed celebrity scandals over the past year. That happened 5 months ago when he has exposed Jalango being involved in the boys club, and Jalango threatened him. And Edgar said, "I am sick and tired of fearing for my safety and everything for my safety and staying quiet. Yesterday, Jalango calls me and asks, can I come for a meeting at the DCI? And I ask, what is it about that he refuses to say? I tell him I have to think about it. I refuse to go without being given reason for the meeting, and he sounds angry and says, will you come or should we just come for you?" That's what Edgar Obare said. This means that Edgar has been receiving threats not only from Jalango but also from other people whom he has been exposing. So that includes Akothee. Guys, what do you think? Did Akothee also threaten him? Because Obare actually exposed Akothee's sister, that is Sebi, being unfaithful to the boyfriend and being involved with so many boyfriends or something of the sort.
Don't come here and just start telling us, leave my husband, leave the... Tell your husband, every woman who is married and don't want to share, tell your husband at home and don't come here.
Guys, what do you think? Is this a good job or a bad job? Doing this and being threatened, like breaking marriages, or yeah. Guys, what do you think about this? And then something that led to his arrest is this: Natalie Tewa and Joho's case. And as you all know, guys, Edgar is known for posting gossip stories on his Instagram stories. And guys, people love gossip. People will want to know what is happening in this world, what are celebrities doing here and there, who is cheating, who is doing this. Yeah, people want to know that. And this makes Edgar to look for more and more information for his fans. So, well, it seems like his earliest land has landed him into big trouble. He announced today that he has been summoned by the DCI over Natalie Tewa, a popular lifestyle YouTuber and also an Instagram influencer. So guys, if you don't know the backstory about this summon, let me inform you and tell you this thing, guys. A while back, the Mombasa governor, that is Joho, Honorable Joho, posted a photo of him going to Dubai. Inside the jet, people noticed a brown tote bag and started speculating what it was. Somehow the internet managed to figure out that the owner is actually Natalie Tewa. This story was a great interest on Twitter and on Edgar Obare's Instagram stories. Later on, Edgar Obare posted visa details that allegedly belonged to Natalie Tewa. This is actually I think Edgar Obare violated Natalie Tewa's right to privacy. Like, he showed people, he posted visa details to Natalie Tewa that contained details like her full government name and date of travel. Yeah, then that incident had mixed reactions on social media and some people outed him on the behavior. Then the conclusion was Natalie was dating Joho, and that was it. So Natalie Ali feel like, no, you have to go to jail. Like, this is not me. You are exposing me too much. So what Natalie says on her Instagram page, she says, "We have such a terrible culture of tearing other people down in the name of gossip. There's already too much negativity in this world. Contributing to it doesn't improve your life or take you higher. Instead, you use your time wisely because every minute of our life counts." That's what she says. Like, she's hurt, she's crying, like, yo guys, why is this happening to me? Yeah. And guys, actually people reacted to this, and this person says that Natalie Taylor visa might be how Edgar Obare goes down. Negligence overrides any disclaimer. That is, if Natalie decides to press charges. And this is what happened. Exactly. This is what has just happened. And then another person says the leaking of Natalie Taylor's visa to UAE is the highest form of invasion of privacy. Edgar Obare's homemade paparazzis have crossed a line. I hope the person behind it gets fired. That's what people are saying. Yeah. Yani kunikubaya, nikubaya, nikubaya. Yeah. So that is it, guys. That is the reason why Edgar has been arrested, and we don't know what will happen next. Will he continue with the gossip things? Will he continue like doing all this? And then, guys, Edgar gets money with the gossip. Like, he posts the gossip plus he promotes other people's page, like businesses. So he posts the gossip plus the businesses, like he promotes business, and he gets paid from promoting the businesses. So that is just his career. Gossiping is his career. So guys, we don't know what will happen next. We don't know if you're gonna get more gossip and more teas each and every day, knowing who our celebrities are, knowing who our role models are. Like, we have no idea what will happen in future. Guys, pray for Edgar Barry. Yeah, if you're good people, pray for him, and we don't know what will happen. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, remember, I'll be back with more videos. Bye.